In this video, I'm going to show you how to put thumbnails on YouTube videos. Think of a thumbnail as the image that you come across anytime you are scrolling through your YouTube app, and it basically informs why the viewer should tap on it to watch the video that you've created. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to upload this YouTube thumbnail. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your YouTube app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to tap on your channel. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to tap on manage videos. Among the list of all the videos that you have uploaded, continue to navigate to the one that you want to upload the thumbnail and tap on these three dots. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Continue to tap on edit. As you correctly see, this video already has its thumbnail. In order for us to add any, all you have to do is to navigate to the top left corner where you see the gallery icon and tap on it. And then you have the option to add the thumbnail by tapping on the change icon. And you can select any of the thumbnails that you want to add from your phone gallery. After that, you can continue to tap on done. That's it. You have successfully added thumbnails on your YouTube videos. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.